Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, some of the things you're going to hear in this video are going to sound like them come from a poorly written script in a very bad movie. You're going to think to yourself, nobody can come up with this. Even by my standards, somebody who is known for bad-minded scammers, fighting against artists and making up things to get views. This is a stretch. But let me assure you, this is a real story. This is a real story that can only happen in the real Hollywood. That's Jamaica. But I'm going to tell you now, what I see in the article, because even though my eyes them I read it, I can't really process what I see. So maybe someone can understand better. Because they must have been really going to school. So maybe when time I show you some of them things there, it'll gonna make sense. I'm talking about a major robbery that took place on the streets of Kingston, Jamaica. East Kingston, to be precise. 4 members of a security company, it's the right to say them name, R0BBERY, were robbed $24 million. I've seen 22, I've seen 20, so let's just call it 20 million. But the circumstances under which they were robbed is what a puzzle enough people. I'm not going to talk about this. As a matter of fact, people are so confused. That's them link me and I say, a unicorn time. Time to do some business. Because when story like this come out, I immediately go around at the warehouse and start to pick up my best unicorns because it's time to generate some revenue. But before we go into the video, speaking about unicorn and warehouse, can you please look at your screen right now? Can somebody explain to me what I'm going on here? Who is behind this? You see, this is why black man can't have nothing in their life. You carve out your own lane. Everybody has sell clothes, shoes, people sell watch. Man say I sell diet coke, man say I sell herbs, man claim say I entertainer. Everybody have them own lane. We make sure steer far from everybody. I'm going on my own lane, selling unicorns. Look what we have now. Mean you tell me say, man have unicorn wholesale. If you come undercut my prices, unicorn wholesale. So that means that them probably have some links to bring them in through the wharf cheaper than my links. And then next thing I got here say 50% off, price war, business collapse. So whoever is behind this business establishment selling unicorns wholesale in Jamaica, I'll be writing a strongly worded letter asking you to cease and desist. Now, make we get back to this video. So right now, I want to look on the screen and tell me, guess which 2 of them things here were on the scene when time the robbery take place. I'll give you a couple of seconds. Now you're probably thinking, well, the armored vehicle up top, that definitely was there. It's the 87s full top of rounds before them take out the money. And then the pro box, that 87s them traveling now and escape from the scene. If that's what you think, if those are the 2 you pick, you're wrong. The 2 things that were on that scene is the pro box and the unicorn. So when I first hear the story, vehicle I travel in East Kingston and brought down, 87 draw down upon them, take money and gone. I was listening to hear say it was some kind of shootout and the 87s them fire off a barrage of rounds and them overpower the guy them with so much firepower that the man just decides to alright, take the money and go on. But it turns out things went down a bit differently. I never know guards truck brought down. I never know armored truck brought down. The guards weren't stuck inside, right, under a barrage of gunfire. They were traveling in a pro box. People said, me telling you say, this sound like a script in a very badly written movie. Right. But at this point, that is basically what Jamaica has become. Right. A poorly written film. These guards were carrying $24 million cash in a Toyota Pro Box. So we hear the vehicle broke down and the man them a try fix the vehicle and 87s pull up on them, stick them up. Now we're going to try and make sense of this. I will not talk about the unmarked Pro Box. These Pro Box for the security company them have are marked, but me the thing say them they just work for the company for do some little menial task, maybe the executives them drive them around or maybe the staff them use them to do some little small things. Man, I use Pro Box to deliver $24 million. So, according to the article, and you can see it on your screen for yourself, the vehicle was being repaired when a car drove up. Repaired? So, 4 guards a travel in a Pro Box broke down. And the man them turned mechanic. There was no other vehicle escorting a Pro Box that was carrying $24 million. Them send a Pro Box on the road this much money by itself. So according to the official story, Pro Box broke down, the man might try to fix the car. 87s now go spot say, oh, no one guard company that. It look like say, them a travel with something. Make a run go for our gun, them and go stick them up. So when 87s were heading towards them and start get close to the vehicle we brought down, because if you brought down on the side of the road, any vehicle will come towards you should immediately spook you. Now I don't know about other people, but if I'm a guard in a vehicle who carry $24 million I will brought down, and I see any vehicle slow down and come towards me, you already know say, me have the heat in my hand. And me not talk about no matches and a lighter. The very fact that we brought down means that no weapon can in a holster. Everybody should be ready for any eventuality. Here is the other question. What happened to the firearms of the guard them? If 87s jam them up and take the money, which 87 are going to turn them back and walk off and left 4 guards with their gun on them? If I was a police investigator, these are the questions me I ask. So them take the money, but them not disarm no. We should have here say $24 million get take away and 4 firearms were stolen. There is no way I'm sticking up a guard and just taking the money from him and just walk away and go back in a vehicle and the man them still have their gun on them. Nothing yes so add up. Now of course the most important thing is that no lives were lost, but the story now makes sense. So right now we hear say the security guards are being questioned by the police. Because which police are going to hear that story and accept it? Now the only way this could make sense, right, the official story that is if we hear say the guards were not armed. But that would make the story even more ridiculous. Because that would mean say 4 unarmed men are transport $24 million in a one Pro Box. Just in case you're wondering. Right, I wonder what a Pro Box they look like. We managed to get exclusive photo of the Pro Box. See it up on your screen. But R0BBERY man never fails to deliver. So tell me what you think in the comment section, because maybe this makes sense to you. Maybe you read the article and say, yeah man, right, that not no sound spooky at all. Just one of them thing there. Right. Let me know in the comment section. But I'm confused. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.